So we're doing a fairly typical job in the spring if you've got a dog. And as you can see, Brock here is moulting quite a bit. And in fact, there's large clumps of hair coming out as we're brushing him up. He's rather enjoying it, as you can see. And we'd much rather have all this not all over the carpets and all over the sofas indoors. We'd much rather get it out here. So look what we've got here, a great big pile of dog hair. And if we fish this out, we've got a perfect material for birds to make their nests with. So I'm just going to leave this somewhere where under a bush where I think a bird might well find it. And you can do the same with bits of straw or bits of wool. Those are all the sorts of things that you're going to find ending up in robins' nests, in blackbirds' nests, in tits' nests, and all the small birds which live around the woodland garden. They will say thank you for helping them prepare their nest. Many of you will have seen jackdaws going up to sheep at this time of the year and pulling bits of wool out of their fleece to make the jackdaws' nests. What we're doing here is exactly the same thing, keeping the hairs on the dog out of the house and giving the birds something to make their nests with.